Bismillah. We at Muslim Hands have an amazing opportunity for all of you watching. This space here is 1400 square foot, and what we want to do is we want to build a textile garment factory. This will provide 70 people with jobs. This will provide 500 immediate beneficiaries. Once the factory is built, what we're going to be able to do is provide 100 people every single day with clothes for free. We're going to be able to set up businesses, which is going to in turn provide income. And most importantly, this is going to help get these people out of the poverty cycle. If you want to get involved, contact muslimhands.org.uk, and inshallah we'll renovate this whole place. It'll have a prayer room, it'll have a wash area, it'll have a cafeteria, it'll have a nursery. So when the women come here to work, they'll have a space for their kids and they'll have jobs. We're going to take these people out of poverty and they'll be able to rebuild their lives, inshallah. And I want to show you around this space because you can see the whole area. It's huge, it's massive. We're going to have a depot in that corner over here, which if we just walk over, you'll see. This depot is going to be able to store all the materials, all the clothing. So once we have the people here to start work, they'll be able to, inshallah, provide their families with support. They'll be employed. So you can see this space here. This is where all the clothes and all the materials are going to be stored once it's all renovated. Now, what is it that I'm asking? I'm asking for all of you who are watching this video, all the Muslim Hands supporters, to donate towards this campaign. Please visit muslimhands.org.uk and support this amazing cause.